Hello everyone and good morning all of you. First morning, how are you doing? Hope everybody excellent. I'm good. Right now, I don't have topic but I have to practice with myself. That's why I'm here to talk about anything and what have inside and what have around me. This is fresh morning. This is really early morning. It's around 5:30 and it's going on. This is dawn time. So we are here, and actually, this is really a unique time for me because when I wake up and when I get up, and I just feel, and am I wake up early in the morning or late? And if I wake up early in the morning, I'm so become happy, and if I don't, so definitely I feel really annoying, and I really feel bored. And if you want to make sure you wanna wake up early in the morning, your tension will free. In this world, so we are here just for not only living, we also train our mind. And if somebody really want to train their mind, definitely early morning is the really best practicing method of our brain. And whenever you will wake up early in the morning continuously one day, and your mind will think about positivity. And if you don't wake up early in the morning, and you will wake up by bad vibes, and then after everything will happen by you, so that will be really annoying thing. That's why, and I really enjoy that morning vibes, morning noise free road, noise free area, and which is really attract me, and which is give me, and how beauty come this place and come like this around. I'm not talking about any kinds of motivational speech, and I'm just thinking, and if I can try, why don't? And if you don't try, so definitely you are missing out something else for yourself. Never forget to do this, and because life is one, and also mission you have to create like this. And if you can create, so definitely, and you will be at least good at for your mind. And if your mind is fine, everything is fine. If your mind is not good, so you never cannot attach with anything your activity, because activities matter. And whenever you will can you will can consistent, you will can adopt your mind with anything, that moment will be really big thing for you. And I feel morning routine is one of the best important tools, important activity, and which will give you to grow yourself. That's why, and I wake up early in the morning, and I speak again and again with myself, because, and I feel this habit practicing, it will change my life forever. That's why, and I don't miss this opportunity, because opportunity never will come again and again. Opportunity you have to create sometime, and if you can create your opportunity for yourself, so normally you will get success. And we have a normal routine and abnormal routine. Whatever we are doing, just we have to vision our minds. We have to wake up early in the morning, everywhere, wherever you'll go. And if you don't make good and strong habit to you to follow, so definitely you never cannot get a good result for yourself. Definitely activity is important, and super important is mind training is really important. Don't go bad activity with a back activity. Try to do your best with good activity. I think whenever will we fix your minds, so you can do anything without hesitation. Thank you so much. See you for the another one.